Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you the face unlock test on Galaxy A04s device. So just to do that, we should just lock our device. Before I just set up my face recognition here, and now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the face unlock feature works correct. I just unlocked the device successfully. I just suggest you to try this unlock method. But don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.